Hey guys, welcome to Real Abhi Show. My name is Faraz and today I am in the Singapore newest attraction. It's a jogging and cycling path called Dinosaur Mile. Sorry, it's called Jurassic Mile, and this is a new attraction and so many people are coming here because it was a pandemic and people can't go anywhere, so this is a new place for the people to come here. This is not an ordinary walking and cycling path or jogging path. Because of the social distance measurement, even you have to book an appointment to come here on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So this is really new, something good, and so many dinosaurs. I'm going to show you how to reach here, the best way to come here, the best things to see here, and the best tour of Jurassic Mile. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So before you come here, there are a few things you should know, that because of the safe distance measure, because of this pandemic, if you are coming on weekends like Friday, Saturday or Sunday, you have to go to the website and you have to do the booking from 9 a.m. to 12 midnight. Without booking you cannot come, so make sure if you're coming Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have to do booking. If you're coming on weekdays, you can come anytime, it's not a problem. Link for the booking I'm giving in description, so go to my descriptions and you can book your slot. But I'm telling you, all slots are full. Even I have to come on the weekdays because weekends are all full. The Jurassic Mile opening 11 October. Overall it includes 3.5 kilometer jogging and cycling path, which include 1 kilometer only this Jurassic Mile, where you can see the dinosaur attractions. So if you don't want to walk all the way, you can just come to Terminal 4 and you can just come to this Jurassic Mile 1 kilometer walking path just to see this dinosaur. But this is really worth to come here to see all these dinosaurs. There are so many kids. Just follow this sign and you will reach here. This is a backside area of Changi Airport. Inside, you never usually comes here, but because the T2 air terminal is under renovation, so you have to walk through this backside area. So right now I am the starting point of this walkway, this jogging path, and I'm at the airport. This is a parking area, and now this is the way to start the journey. So let's start. So there is one more bike option, like you can use bicycle SG bike from here, just in front of this terminal to a parking lot, and you come from this path and you see the SG bike and you can use this SG bike. Just download the app and scan it and pay and just take it and park any designated place. But this is the place you can park it back here or any designated place. This is also very cheap compared to the other bicycle rental place which is nearby here. But its choice is yours. You can take this or you can take that. This path is also remind me the movie Wizard of Oz, where you have to follow the green path, and here you can see I have to just follow this red path. It all the way going to take me to my destination, Dinosaur Mile. So just walk. So this is the one place you can rest, you can take shower, you can start your journey, and you can rent a bicycle here. I wanted to rent a bike, but it's okay. I want to show you guys everything. That's why I decided to walk all the way 3.5 kilometer, and so I can show you better. I'm gonna tired, but it's fine. All for you guys to show you the better view. Well, walking in this path is not a bad idea because it's beautiful. I'm still on the way to main attraction, Jurassic Mile. You can see there is a Jurassic Mile 1.8 kilometer, and I'm on the way. So let's walk more and reach fast to our destination so we can see more dinosaurs. Now I reached to the Terminal 4. As you can see, it's all empty. I think the terminal is closed because of the pandemic. But yes, Jurassic Mile is just after Terminal 4, and you can come here by your car and park your car over the parking spot, and you can walk to the Jurassic Mile, because the real Jurassic Mile is starting just after Terminal 4. So if you want to just see the dinosaurs and main attractions, so you just come here by car and park your vehicles here and walk from here. Or if you want to jog and you want to do cycling, so okay, you can go to Terminal 2 and you can walk all the way 3.5 kilometer to Jurassic Mile. So I just saw on my way, or just outside the Terminal 4 parking, there is another bike rental place. This is not a rental place, this is a parking spot for the SG bike, which I showed you before. So if you're coming by public transportation, so you don't need to walk all the way, you just you take the bicycle from the Terminal 2 and you can park here, and you can just go walk to Jurassic Mile, and when you come back you just take the bicycle again from here and you can walk to the Terminal 2. It's very good. So after walking 2.5 kilometers, finally I arrived Changi Jurassic Mile, and now the main attraction start from here, and now we're gonna see finally I'm sweating like a crazy. Now finally we're going to see some dinosaurs. So my journey start from here. They have a sign of different dinosaur species, models, not the real dinosaurs. So all the way they have all these dinosaurs, and they have a sign where you can find which dinosaurs. So like I said, they have a 22 dinosaurs. So finally, this is our first dinosaur, Triceratops. Okay, I'm reading name on the wall here. So this is Triceratops. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is our first dinosaur. So let's see another dinosaur. You see these walls? This wall is actually behind. There is an airport. There is a taxi stand for flight. So this is not a normal wall. This is a security wall. Seriously, who's going to pet the dinosaur? You're going to be eaten by dinosaur. This place behind me used to be the egg of dinosaur, but one stupid TikToker's girl, she ride on that dinosaur and she broke it. So this is now under renovation. They have to move it and they have to fix it before they open it. So really it's open and you are riding on the dinosaur and you broke it. Seriously, stupid people. This T-Rex is trying to break the fence. I thought he's aggressive and he wanted to kill everyone. But later he realized it's saving his little baby T-Rex. I saw there is an eggs. So yeah, it's not attacking actually. It's just trying to protect his baby. So just stay away from this T-Rex or it will break it really. As you can see, the fence here is small because yes, they have a tall neck. They still can climb over this fence. So no use to make a long fence. So it's okay to make a short fence. Makers are smart. I'm going to show you the time lapse of whole Jurassic Mile, 1 kilometer in a few seconds. So just stay tuned. If you want to see the whole Jurassic Mile in a fast way, just stay tuned and see this last part. I'm sweating like a crazy. It's because I did not choose to wear a jogging clothes. I'm wearing normal clothes because I just came here after work. But there's no excuse because I can change the shower area and I can take a shower and I can change. But I decided to come in this clothes, which is a big mistake, and I'm sweating like a crazy. But anything for you guys. So that's why don't forget to subscribe. Do you like the Jurassic Mile? It's really worth to come here. You have to walk a lot, but it's worth to come. There's a nice dinosaurs and very good place. And if you like anything, let me know in the comment. If you want to ask anything, let me know in the comment and I will tell you. And for sure, if you are in Singapore, must come here and see all these dinosaurs. Let me know in the comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.